What's the meaning of boggle? Boggle. Boggle.
Boggle. Boggle. The word boggle has several meanings, but the most common one is to experience a feeling of confusion or surprise. It can also mean to hesitate or be reluctant to do something, or to cause someone else to feel confused or surprised. The result of boggling can vary depending on the context, but it typically involves some degree of mental disorientation or uncertainty. For example, someone might boggle at a complex math problem, or a surprising revelation might cause someone's mind to boggle. Ultimately, boggling implies a disruption of one's mental state, whether that be confusion, hesitation, or awe.